berries are fantastic.
Central Coast wines, and the flavor is just indescribable.
Central Coast definitely is starting to overtake the Napa industry.
Fox and Canyon Wine Trail, all of them. They're good.
There's no growing region in California cooler than Santa Maria Valley. Very few people realize that. The average daytime high during the summer, here is 75, 76, something like that. And that's what it's all about. And this area can produce the quality, but the first vineyard was planted in 1964 by Uriel Nielsen. This is the site of the oldest commercial vineyard in Santa Barbara County. The reason it's still there is because the quality is so high. They're old vines, very low yields, but incredibly good quality. You can see here where there's a little bit of wrinkling on these berries. That's what we want. That's the perfect look for Syrah. Now you wouldn't want that on Pinot Noir or any other grape, but Syrah really makes better wine. If we didn't do this, we'd make standard wine. And by doing this, we can make the quality that we're looking for. The grapes are able to mature very slowly. And what that does is it helps both the flavor and the color development. So for red wines, this could be the best vintage ever. Then the question is, how can we optimize the experience? Well, we usually work with the chef and have the chef taste the wines. He'll talk about some ideas that he has. I'll ask him about some of the ingredients. That's when you really get into detail, because you want your wines to show the very best and he wants his food to show the very best. So there has to be some synergies that are working out there.
All right, class, let me have your attention, please. Again, class, someone should make the comment. Something which is simple becomes very, very rich. We're doing 9 different things today. If you go in and look at the blackboard, you'll see what's on the blackboard, and that's the menu we're going to have today. We're going to get a chance to make squid 3 different ways. Stuff with this, and then we're going to stuff it with white anchovies, another set, and then another set with red anchovies. And then we're going to sit down, we're making a tomato sauce out there, and we're going to put that on each one of these, and we're going to compare it and drink 2 different Sangioveses with it. And we'll see which one we like the best. What we're going to do here is incorporate some red wine. It's going to make it a richer, deeper flavor to it. This is sweated onions. You're going to add this and the garlic to this. Plus, you're going to chop some tentacles. Put the chive in there just for color. So we'll have this cheese here that has truffles in it. And we're going to fry that like fried mozzarella and try that along with the regular mozzarella. Portobello's and leek. It's going to go with the risotto. Go. Should do it. Looking nice. Wines are high in pH, so that and the food go together because of the pH value. Neither one of these wines increase in acidity because of this dish. Here's a typical example. You take these simple things. This is a very rich dish, but there's not a lot of rich things in it. Well, both of these are Sangiovese. One has a little bit more Sangiovese than the other. Okay, how many people agree with that? Put hands up. Well, the red anchovy with the Cesar McKean Phillips. Okay. You did not think so?
I like both.
Gee, you're on your way to an A, huh? No.